and welcome back to another video, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn your bells on so you get updated with all the videos that I upload. Okay, my niece wants to be in the video, so she's gonna be in the video. You're so cute.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. I love you. Do you want some cotton candy? You want some of this?
Yes.
Say, we're gonna eat pickle and cotton candy.
Candy.
Yay! Here, take some. Take some. As you guys see by the title, today I'm gonna be trying viral TikTok snacks, and I'm so excited. I actually don't have one ingredient for one of the snacks, so we're probably gonna skip that. It's the pepper, cream cheese, and everything seasoning. I don't have the everything seasoning, I forgot it, so we're probably gonna skip that. But we're gonna be trying the jalapeno with cream cheese and Takis. How you think that's gonna taste?
Disgusting.
But you like spicy. So my sister's over there, she's gonna try it with me. We're not gonna get her reaction, but we're gonna hear her reaction. It's gonna be the jalapeno with the cream cheese and Takis, and then it's gonna be a pickle wrapped in cotton candy. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Eat some. So, do you think I should try the pickle with cotton candy or the jalapeno? The jalapeno, because it takes more time, right? Okay. So, I'm nervous. Okay, so I'm gonna go rinse it. Let me go rinse it. Okay, so I rinsed the jalapeno, and while dealing with jalapenos, you gotta be sure to be careful when you open it, because the seeds are very, very hot, and that's pretty much what makes the jalapeno like super spicy. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I'm cut the ends, and then we're going to clean it out. Okay.
Mommy, Didi.
Yes, what happened?
Okay.
Oh, you broke it. No. Okay, I'm trying to do this without like breaking the jalapeno. So you gotta be very careful with these because they are spicy. Oh my God, Sam, I dare you to eat one of these.
Okay, one.
Okay, so
Mama, look.
we still have some stuff in here.
That's the red one.
Oh yeah.
You gotta make sure you take everything out to avoid dying. Cammy, be very careful because this is hot, okay? You cannot come near this. Because if you rub your eye with this juice, it's not gonna be fun. Okay. I'm trying to take all the peppers out. There's like little seeds here. I'm not trying to bite the seeds because
That's the spicy part, I think.
hell yeah. Okay, so just gonna make sure you have all of it out. Okay, let me use my flashlight because there's some seeds hiding in there. Well, actually, it's okay because I'm gonna eat from the top anyway. Now that we have most of the seeds out, we're gonna take our cream cheese So we're gonna keep stuffing it with cream cheese. This looks good.
Yeah,
I'm not even
right.
I'm not gonna lie, this does. Are you gonna try it?
Nah, I'll skip. I'll do something else.
You gonna try the pickle with the cotton candy?
Oh no. I'll
Okay.
just skip.
So now we have our jalapeno filled with cream cheese. Now we're gonna take our Takis that my sister opened because she couldn't wait. Okay. Hold on, baby. Let me put this in here.
Cammy.
So now we're gonna stuff the pepper with Takis. Oh my gosh.
What?
How should I do it? Like with the
Whoa.
pickle and the cotton candy? Ugh.
I don't know.
Bite into this with me.
No. I'll take some Takis.
Alright, so this is how it looks. I'm a little scared. I'm gonna push it in.
You should have a side water. A side of water.
I don't think it's gonna be spicy because I took most of the peppers out and it's in the bottom if anything. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite. It's not spicy. It's actually good. Bro, try it.
No.
Please try a bite.
No, I'm okay.
I'll give you $5.
No.
It's good. I promise it's good.
No, I'm sorry.
Okay.
So you're gonna try the cotton candy.
Cotton candy with what?
Pickle. This is better, I'm telling you, you're gonna like it. Want me to do one for you?
No.
Why are you being boring? It's actually good.
Oh, what? You're eating?
Mhm.
Yeah, Titi is eating.
This is not bad. I'll rate this a 7 out of 10.
A 7?
I'm telling you, it's good. It's like a good snack. It doesn't even taste spicy. Because I guess the cream cheese kind of like overpowers like the spiciness. I'll say, ooh. This is like real good. Try it. Please.
I'll try to attack you.
I just want your reaction, please. Everybody's trying it, Samantha.
I'll try the bottom.
The bottom has the spiciness. It's not bad.
It's bad. It's funny.
That tastes bad.
It is
No, it doesn't.
It tastes good. I actually like it.
It tastes more spicy eating the Takis alone.
That's what I'm saying. It's like not, you can't even, it's kind of like the spice is not even there. I just feel like I don't see the point in taking off the little seeds because it tastes just like a regular pepper. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
So let me clean this because I'm not trying to have spicy stuff on my cotton candy. So now we're gonna move on to the pickle and cotton candy. So this was the only cotton candy that I found. Yeah. I'm gonna put some on here. What happened? I'm gonna put some
Say
here.
oopsie. Oopsie.
Oopsie doopsie. Okay, so that's strawberry flavor. Now I'm gonna take the grape flavor and we're gonna put it there. So now I have the pickle, and I'm gonna wrap it in. Well, let me take this out. You copying, Titi? I love you. So now I'm gonna wrap it in the cotton candy. And we're going to try this. Oh, this is messy. Okay, this is the best that it's gonna get.
Down.
Nervous.
Disgusting.
Down disgusting.
I like pickle and I like cotton candy, so I don't know. Together, let's try it. Ready? Say 1, 2, 3. Okay, go, Titi.
Go, Titi.
Mmm. I don't like this. That's disgusting. I'll give that a 2 out of 10. That's nasty. So this, very disgusting. I give it a 2 out of 10. And that's me being courteous. That was disgusting. Overall, how'd you like the jalapeno thing?
That was pretty good. That wasn't bad at all, actually.
That pickle, it was disgusting.
You took just one bite?
I took a little second bite, but nasty. So, yeah, the jalapeno I'll eat again. This pickle with cotton candy, do not try it. It's disgusting. Well, that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn your bells on so you get updated with all the videos that I upload. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.